BittyBrush. Hi. Let's draw a mommy shark. Tail. Fin. Perfectly. Very nice. Eyes and eyelashes. Mouth. She's smiling. Let's paint Mommy Shark pink. Pink is a very beautiful color. Don't forget to subscribe to the BittyBrush channel to see more videos. Perfectly. Such a cute mommy shark turned out.